Hi everyone, so today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 1626, best team with no conflicts. So in this problem statement, we are given two arrays, scores and ages, and basically any ith element in score and ages represent the age and the number of basket a player has made. And we have to return the highest overall score of all possible basketball teams which we can prepare out of these given inputs. And there was a condition that there can be no conflict, and the conflict is defined by basically a player with lower age and having higher baskets than vice versa. Okay, so we'll have to take care of that command of that instruction. And they have explained it beautifully with the examples, like three examples. They have covered, I think, all the cases which we can get. So let's directly move toward the solution because it's going to be a really simple one to implement and to move ahead. And I'll explain whatever we are doing in the code. Okay, first things first, I'll be using a DP approach to solve this. I think this problem can also be solved using the uh, DFS approach, but I haven't implemented that yet, so I'm not very confident on that part. So let's start a solution. First thing is I want to define my DP array, and I'll initialize all the elements with 0, and I want it to be like the length of that to be maximum of ages plus 1, right? In this DP array, I will be basically storing the maximum score we can get if we get a player of a certain age into the team. Okay, so this part is done. Next is I want to zip score and ages into a single element. Like for each element in scores and ages, I want to zip those. And I want to, on this at the same time, I want to sort them on the basis of scores as well. Okay, so to do that, let's create a variable score underscore age and zip the values first, taking scores as a first parameter and ages as a second one. Then let's sort that as well. So we are good till this point. Next command is very simple. Like I want to iterate through this score and ages. And oh, sorry, first it should be first score comma age in score underscore age. Okay. Now, to update this DP array for each uh, age, what I want to say is what is the maximum score which we can get with the ages lower than the current age, right? So to do that, what I'm doing is we want to update the DP array for a particular age. I want to add the current score, okay, plus like I want to update it with the current score plus whatever the highest value uh, is with the is in the DP array of the ages, and I do want to include the current age as well. So, for example, there are chances that if there were two players of same age, one did two baskets and another one did three baskets, right? Then for in the like when we get the second player of the same age, I want to see if we can have both these players in the same team or not. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I'll be getting the maximum of DP, and to get all the elements on the left, I can do this. So basically, I have added one in the age so that I can include the current age as well. As soon as we are done till this point, we just have to return the maximum of the DP array, and we are good. Maximum of yeah DP. So let's check out the test cases once, and let's see. Okay, so the test cases got cleared. Let's submit for further evaluation. And guys, the solution got accepted and we performed really well. Like we outperformed 95.74% of the submitted solutions. So yeah, thanks again guys for watching out the video and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.